This is the late 2009 White MacBook. It cost $999 back then. It was the student's choice. For a decade, Apple forgot this market. Until this week. Hey everyone, welcome back. We're still a small community here. Shout out to the two of you who joined in the last short. Today, I'm showing you why this 17-year-old plastic laptop is still relevant and how it compares to the brand new MacBook Neo. I've modded this machine. I maxed out the RAM to 8GB and added a 240GB SSD. But the real magic is OpenCore Legacy Patcher. This allows me to run macOS Big Sur. As you've seen earlier, it's quite snappy. It's not an Apple Silicon, but for $50 plus $40 in parts, this is the ultimate sub $100 budget machine for 2026. Apple tried to do this before with a 12-inch MacBook. 2015 to 2017. We call it the Toasty Book. It was beautiful, but it was expensive. Had just one Type-C and a jack. Overheating constantly. It was a failure of form over function. If you really want to support this channel, you can like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos. But just a few days ago, Apple released the all-new MacBook Neo. Starting at $599, it's finally the true successor to my White 2009 model. It uses the A18 Pro chip from the iPhone 16 Pro. It's fanless but actually powerful. And it brings 4 fun colors: silver, blush, citrus, and my personal favorite, indigo. A thing we missed since the iBook E3 days. And yes, a ton more powerful. Just compare the Geekbench scores. If you are on a budget, don't throw away your old tech, mod it. And if you're looking for the best value in years, the Neo is it. Since I'm a small channel, every like and subscribe helps me keep making these videos. Let's get to 20 subs this week. See you in the next one.